Él sí que puede estar.
All right, ready? Hola.
myself
to pay for it. No one's ever gonna take the key away from me. I'm tired of being on the first wheel. Time has been a tangible artifacts and evidence and disbelief that I can't believe. soul. And the room was hot and the skin was cold, and it felt like a kiss like this. I heard it call my name. Still waiting for you. Carry me down that road.
Can we get more of Steve's vocal back here? Thanks.
Thanks a lot. Esa canción del nuevo disco Static Transmission, canción se llama Ambassador of Soul. Take it slow, now you pushed everything as far as it can go now. Yeah, there's not a lot you can do. Sometimes you don't find the magic, it just finds you. So many things that bring you down. You're digging away for something that was lost in some distant day. Yeah, there ain't no mystery. There's more going on than the eyes can see. The one is so bad you can almost taste it. It doesn't mean you have to waste it. The light keeps shining on, but not everybody can see. Can't find the simple things we all know belong around me. Something to say when you get too close. Shining up in the distance, just like this. We're a passenger of soul. Like everybody else, I've had doubts. Days, months, and years I could have done without. Yeah, what can I do? What can I say? Sometimes you got to let the walk away from it. The light keeps shining on, but not everybody can see. Can't find those simple things that I know they're all around me. Something to say when you get too close. Shining up in the distance, just like gold. The ambassador of soul. The ambassador of soul. The ambassador of soul. The ambassador of soul. Alright. The light keeps shining on. 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 Tell you that we've been through this. I know I told you that before. I try to find out where we miss. It gets to be such a chore. 'Cause ever since that time I told you it's so. Something in my mind and I don't even know when that story goes. And here and gone. 'Cause that's what you always say. I try to sit and talk with you. You know that mood change all the time. I tried to wait a week or two, but by then I probably changed my mind. 'Cause ever since that time I told you it's so. Something in my mind and I don't let it go. Then stories and words, they're here and gone. 'Cause that's what I always say. Yeah, nice dynamics. That was pretty cool. Mucha madre. Yeah. You know I try to sit and talk with you. You know that moods change all the time. I try to wait a week or two, but by then I probably changed my mind. I told you so. Something in my mind and I don't get told. Stories and words, they're here and gone. That's what you always say.
Next, they're gonna light the fire extinguisher off. It's just like a school assembly.
That's a cool joke. It's like Jefferson Airplane. All right. Vamos a tocar poco de una canción.
Oh yeah? Half of it, only half of it. No.
We hear half the song. that the wounds have all healed. Are you gonna come back? Do you wanna come back to me? I hope you won't hold me to blame. All that I remember was shame. It's all in the stories you tell. No one's a villain, nothing that can't be explained. There's more than just good and bad. There's a reason for everything. Starting to figure it out. Yeah, maybe it wasn't my fault. Yeah, maybe it's something you said. Are you gonna come back? Do you wanna come back to me? In the movies, the monsters are real. But now I just don't know. Speaking my language, do little damage. Nothing left is out there. Never mind the carnage. Oh yeah. Walk to the stop on the side. Every time that you walk by, I don't know what I don't get a little low down. Gonna be a showdown. Now let's go down. Yeah, look at what I found. Yeah. Oh yeah. I like this. Walk to the stop on the side. Every time that you walk by, I don't know what's kind of like a dancer, you romancer, straight like a dancer. Yeah, there's no answer. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at here. Walk to the stop on the side. Every time that you walk by, I don't on the drums, Linda Pittman. Jason Victor. On the bass guitar, Dave DeCastro. A song about my home state, California style. We gonna lock up the square. We got sloppy rides. from the public eye. One less shining star in the sky. The sun goes down in the valley. We know it's right. We just park it out back in the alley. Outside the city limits. Burning inside the night. Death down the limits. It shines, and it lights up the cans in the dashboard. The stars align. Lord, now we don't know exactly what for. In the distance, outside the city limits. Going inside the night. Yeah. set fire to the few last night. Turned himself in this morning. No, I don't think you knew him, but that's not the point. With the concept why he done it, it's big fast in the blood. He looked at what he'd done and he said, oh, guess I just don't know. No, I just don't know. He got me in your heart. He got someone. He got down to you. Who's controlling? It's just the feelings that never told. Don't you feel that burn? Don't you feel that burn? Don't you feel that burn? Yeah, there was this friend that you and I had. There would be things that he believed in, and then one by one he found some flaws, and now he's not so sure. No, he's not that sure. She can't sing your soul. You know lands in you. Who's controlling? It's just the feelings that never told. Don't you feel that burn? Don't you feel that burn? Yeah, don't you feel that burn? Well, I woke up alone this morning, and I looked around the room. And someday there's gonna be hell to pay, I know. Yeah, I know. There's gonna be hell to pay, I know, I know, I know. Wow! You can't hear your heart. Sing your soul, you go around to you. He's controlling, it's just a few things that can be told. Don't you feel that burn? Don't you feel that burn? Yeah, don't you feel that burn? Don't you feel that burn? Yeah, don't you feel that burn? Yeah, yeah. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Doctor, can't you see that I'm trying? The explanation just hasn't been found. Doctor, no one knows when I'm crying. I slam the door when the feeling comes round. And every time there's a silver lining, every time there's an answer I know. But in my heart there's no light shining, it's just emptiness and faded glow, raining down on the side I'll never show. It's the hardest season. I sit waiting for the damn to let it go. Doctor, without the slightest reason, I become a man that I don't wanna know. Every time there's a silver lining, every time there's an answer I know. Oh, in my heart there's no light shining, it's just emptiness and faded glow, laying down on the side I'll never show. A faded glow, laying down on the side I'll never show. Doctor, I believe that I heard her calling out from beyond the flood. Doctor, in my heart there was murder. There wasn't nobody and there wasn't no blood. And every time there's a silver lining, every time there's an answer I know. Oh, in my heart there's no light shining, and the sign that I'll never show. Every time there's a silver lining, every time there's an answer I know. In my heart there's no light shining, it's a sign that I'll never show. Es una canción de Speed. It's called Amphetamine. and son was looking for a 7-stage getaway. The wolf came down on a blinding night. You got one chance, baby, 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 better do it right. But I was driving you down on the 101. It was late at night, and I was thinking about the big time gun. All of my regrets, and maybe all of my skin. Well, I was slipping apart the street and again. Now I really got going, started picking up feet. I hear one thing about everything about me. Started kicking back, did for my life. I let go of the wheel and flew into the night. God bless his soul. And God tells the idea that he will die before he's old. Yeah, you gotta be cool. Yeah, you gotta be paid. And in the time of that, when I'm lying in my grave, alright. Gotta watch yourself, or you lose your way. We take heed of the others and do everything they say. And I want you on down, and the best. I fear for the devil and I fear for myself. No, I'm gonna have to fear for everybody else. Oh yeah. To the
Gracias. See you guys later.
Algo idonen doi perché io. No, dai.
Wow, I'm with it. Good request. Keep going, muscle.
Party for the three.
You beat the fucking nut. All right, man. Yeah. You get the fucking rhythm. We need the fucking rhythm. It's a fucking rhythm. Good vibration. You want some rhythm and good vibration?
Really?
I got both those. I got all that for you and more.
Right here, baby.
It's a shame the way they play you like a game, baby. It's a sin the way you never seem to win. Tell me, can't you understand? I only want to be your friend. Tell me, can you say it again? I really want to be your friend. Honey, I wanna know why everything seems to scare you so. Darling, what can I say? I only want to let you do it your way. Tell me, can't you understand? I only want to be your friend. Tell me, can you say it again? I really want to be your friend. Is it fair the way the body seems to care? Honey, is it known why anyone should have to follow along? Tell me, can't you understand? I only want to be your friend. Tell me, can I say that again? I only want to be your friend. Tell me decided she's on the ledge again, drawing a crowd and threatening everything. I'm here wondering just what the fit in. Everybody says they don't care, I don't care. Everybody says they don't care, no, no, no. I'm deciding to remember the days we wine and old. From the parishes, looking for persuasion. Man with the no care want their vacation. Somebody said this was my creation. Everybody said, I don't care. Everybody said, I don't care. All my life, I'm decided to remember the days of wine and gold. Days of wine and gold. Her mother said it's your fault, you never looked after her. Father's arranging to get back the furniture. I'm here wondering just what the real world. Everybody said they don't care, no, don't care. Everybody said they don't care, why not? I'm deciding to remember the days of wine and roses. The days of wine and roses. Welcome to the mouse of barbed wire. Use a cold snake for a necktie. Got a brand new house by the roadside in. Did I have a rattlesnake hide? Got a brand new chimney I built on top. Made out of human skull. Come on, baby, take a walk with me. Come on, baby, take a walk with me. Come on, baby, take a walk with me. And tell me, who do you love? Alright, yeah. Yeah, bring it on down. Yeah, bring it on down. Down. I mean, stop. Arriba. I said the world from outside is she's on the ledge again, drawing a crowd and threatening everything. I'm here wondering just where I've been. Yeah.
Thanks again. Thanks very much. It's been very nice to play for you. Thanks very much for coming out tonight.
Thank you! Thank you!
Very cool. It's our first time here. We really dig it, so very cool. Thank you. Come back to Boston as soon as you can. Whole thing ain't gone down according to the plan. Morning when I wake up, I don't like what I see. And late night my dreams, they are terrifying me, yeah. I was walking by the river in the early morning dew, singing out lines from Cypress Avenue. I wonder where he stood when it all came down. Coming back to Boston before I hit the ground. And the winners stand confused. They don't wanna be missed you. And the losers that came for, they say, I don't wanna be here anymore. Well, I stand on the back porch, looking at the books, poets, politicians, beauty queens and crooks. I wonder where he stood when the inspiration came. Come back to Boston before I jump the train. And the winners sang confused. They don't wanna be in shoes. And the losers that came for, they say, I don't wanna be here anymore. Anymore. On the bass, Dave DeCastro. On the drums, Linda Pigman. On the guitar, Jason Victor. My name is Steve. Thank you. said, come back to Boston or I'll meet you halfway. Somewhere by the middle of the interstate. We can take it on down to some cold deserted lake and come back to Boston before we make the same mistake. Yeah. Come back to Boston before we make the same mistake. Yeah. Come back to Boston before we make the same mistake. Yeah. Come back to Boston before we make the same mistake. Yeah. Come back to Boston before we make the same mistake. I said now, do you remember when? Do you remember when? Do you remember when we used to say? Do you remember when? Do you remember when? Do you remember when we used to say like this? Cha-la-la-la-la-la, 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 cha-la-la-la-la-la. Do you remember when? See you guys later. Thanks very much. Take care. Good night. and there was nothing I could do. Put a record on the stereo and wrote a letter to you. I read it for you as well. Stories I couldn't tell that came true. Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's all right now. Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's time to burn it down. Robert Mitchum was dying, and I wouldn't take the blame. The blood looked better in black and white, but it was color just the same. The hair would look like you. What else could I do but turn away? Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's all right now. Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's time to burn it down. The national anthem was playing. I didn't bother to write, so I unplugged my phone and I closed my eyes. These days when I dream, nothing ever seems to make any sense. Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's all right now. Carry a torch, carry a torch. It's time to burn it down. Yes, 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 it's time to burn it down. Thank you. There's joke going round and everyone says you. The things that crazy constantly made to the things you say and do. He lies, he steals, and cheats on you and comes back in the end. You say, man, I'll do anything you want. Don't leave me again. Can't you see what you're doing? Still outside of the ruin. Yes, you're alone by your telephone, playing the tip of time. I don't mean to get all in the air, but I think you're better than that. We'll hold you down and pin you down and make you holler when you say, man, I'll do anything you want. Don't leave me again. Can't you see what you're doing? Step outside of the ruin. Shining armor, coming to rescue you. I'm lazy, crazy, not thinking, no, I get me when I've had a few. But I'm not the kind to shake it down and pack it to like a hair. I say, come on, baby, welcome me down and start all over again. Can't you see what you're doing? Can't you see what you're doing? Set by the side of the road. Yes, step outside.
No, no, es que perdona, El gallino me El gallino
Sí,